Hey! Want to build your own online store and start making money in 2025? Shopify is still king when it comes to e-commerce. But starting can feel super overwhelming, until today. In this video, I'm breaking down Shopify step by step for absolute beginners. No fluff, no confusing tech stuff, just a clear guide to get your store up and running fast. And all birds all started on Shopify. So if they can do it, you absolutely can too. Now, let's quickly talk about pricing in 2025. Shopify currently has three main plans: Basic, $39 per month, perfect for beginners. Shopify, $105 per month, for growing stores. Advanced, $399 per month, for big brands scaling fast. There's also a super cheap starter plan for just $5 a month if you're only selling on social media or messaging apps. Alright, now let me show you how to actually set up your Shopify store step by step. Step 1, head over to shopify.com and click Start Free Trial. Enter your email, create a password, and name your store. Step 2, choose a theme. Your theme controls the look and feel of your store. Go to Online Store right pointing arrow themes. You can browse free themes or paid themes. I recommend starting with a free theme like Dawn. It looks clean and works perfectly on mobile. Step 3, add your products. Go to Products right pointing arrow, add product. Upload high quality photos, write a clear product description, set your price, update inventory numbers, and set up shipping details. Step 4, set up payments. Go to Settings right pointing arrow payments. Activate Shopify payments so you can accept credit cards, PayPal, and even Apple Pay. Step 5, set up shipping. Go to Settings right pointing arrow shipping. Decide if you'll charge for shipping or offer free shipping. You can set shipping rates based on weight, location, or order price. Step 6, launch your store. When everything looks good, buy your domain name, remove the password, and boom, your store is live. Now that your store is set up, let's talk about apps, because this is how you take your store to the next level. Here are the best beginner-friendly Shopify apps for 2025, Obolo or DSs, for dropshipping. Klaviyo, for email marketing. Judge.me, for customer reviews. Reconvert, for upsells and thank you pages. SEO Booster, to help rank your store on Google. Remember, don't overload your store with apps. Only install what you need, because too many apps can slow down your website. Alright, now it's time for my 3 Shopify secrets that almost nobody tells beginners. Secret number 1, winning product equals everything. Most Shopify stores fail because they're selling boring, generic products that nobody wants. To find winning products, use tools like TikTok Trends, Ecom Hunt, or simply search AliExpress hot sellers. Look for products that solve a problem or have that wow factor. Secret number 2, design mobile first. Over 80% of Shopify traffic in 2025 comes from mobile phones. Your store has to look perfect on mobile. That means big, clear buttons, simple layouts, fast loading times, and product photos that look great on small screens. Secret number 3, upsells are pure profit. Selling one product is great, but the real money comes from upselling. After someone adds a product to their cart or checks out, offer them a bundle deal or a related product. Tools like one-click upsell or reconvert make this super easy. This is how you turn a $20 order into a $50 order. Now, let me hit you with some final Shopify tips to really set you up for success. Start small. Don't overthink. You can always improve later. Focus on finding a trending product that people are already buying. Make your store mobile friendly first. Use apps wisely, don't overdo it. And always look for ways to increase your average order value with bundles and upsells. Alright, that's how you master Shopify in 2025 as a complete beginner. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe because I'm dropping new Shopify and e-commerce tips every single week. And tell me in the comments, what product or niche are you thinking of selling on Shopify in 2025? I'm super curious and I reply to every comment. See you in the next video.